Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this app can't run on your PC in Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. First, go to your Start menu, click on that and search for User Account Control Settings. Click on that. Right over here, make sure the option number 2 is selected. Then just click OK. It will give some permissions or ask for permissions. Click OK and then you're done. Next step would be to search for local security policy. This right over here. Click on that. On the left portion, choose local policies, then security options. You need to scroll down and find the specific option over here. User account, admin control approval. Click on that, double click, make sure that it's enabled, click OK, apply, and then you're good to go. Another would be to choose this option, which is user account, control, run all admin and admin support or admin approval. Same, double click, choose enabled, click apply, and then click OK. Now you're done. Just restart your computer. After that, go ahead, proceed with installing your software or program, and it should now be good to go. I hope you found this video very helpful.